Assalamualaikum, saya Heliza Helmi. Sini saya ingin berkongsi dengan anda semua bagaimana cara-cara memakai Heliza Instant Telekung. Sangat mudah. Mula-mula ambil di bahagian tengah ini dan lilit seperti biasa. Lilit di atas. Seperti ini. Tidak perlu menggunakan pin, sudah pun siap. Sebenarnya pemakaian turut ini kurang daripada 20 saat pun sudah boleh siap. Mudah untuk kita pergi kerja, pergi event dan sebagainya. Dan apabila kita mendengar azan, terus ya, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, automatik kita terus boleh solat. Okey, seterusnya cara kedua, cara favourite saya. Mula-mula naikkan bahagian atas ni, kain, naik saja, letak di atas kepala. Okey, letak atas kepala seperti ini. Jadi sama ada bahagian kiri ataupun kanan, tolaklah. Okay, contoh saya ambil bahagian kiri ya, tolak ke belakang. Tolak. Untuk kita mendapatkan hasil seperti ini. Okey. Kerja dia menolak saja. Okey, apabila anda mendapat cara begini pun boleh juga. Tapi untuk mendapatkan lebih menarik, anda boleh gulung-gulung dan pin. Ataupun dua-dua pun boleh buat pin. Bagi mereka yang berpudar, yang mungkin nak tutup muka, anda boleh pin saja sebegini. Turut ini sangat berguna, insya-Allah. Tidak panas, sejuk. Mungkin anda nak pergi umrah juga sangat sesuai untuk mengenakan Heliza Instant Telekung. Bagaimana untuk mendapatkannya? Dapatkannya di fanpage Heliza Helmi ataupun fanpage Heliza Helmi Hijab. Selamat mencuba. Assalamualaikum.
Hai sahabat semua, kita adalah hambanya. Jadi mari kita berzikir kepadanya.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi sama Tasya di tutorial. Kali ini aku mau kasih satu tutorial jilbab. Ini jilbabnya bahannya chiffon dan ini bentuknya segi 4 ya. Ini ada hiasan-hiasan seperti ini. Ini bisa dipakai kita ke acara formal atau pesta dan sebagainya. Oke, kita mulai. Ini jilbabnya jangan dijadi segitiga ya, jadi biasa aja. Lalu dipentul di kanan dan kiri. Ini. Satunya lagi. Lalu dipeniti aja ke belakang. Udah. Bawa kedua sisinya di satu sisi ya. Seperti ini. Bagian dalamnya ini dibawa ke atas. Selalu di make sure aja semuanya supaya rapi ya. Nih. Dipentul aja. Satunya lagi. Seperti ini. Semoga bermanfaat ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a really simple, quick and easy everyday hijab tutorial. It's the hijab style that I wear on a day-to-day basis, and it's really simple, really quick and easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. So okay, first things first, you're going to need your hijab. Well, obviously do your underscarf first and all of that jazz, your bun and whatnot. And what I use to keep my scarf in place is a pair of tights. Yes, I know, tights, Dory, the clean. I use this on my head, they're not worn or anything. I mean, that's creepy. But yeah, just a pair of normal black tights that you can put on your head basically. And why I like tights is because it has a bit of a rough surface, or the scarf, you won't slip off of this, whereas if you just put your scarf directly onto your hair, it'll just slip off and your hair will be coming out all the time, and it's just really annoying. Okay, so what you do is you take your pair of tights like this and you arrange it on your head like so, tying it once at the back like that, and then you'll get the funny crotch bit here, so you put that over your head like so, and then you grab the other leg of the pair of tights and you bring it around the back and you cover any areas where the underscarf might be showing, and then you'll have a neat bun. Just arrange your bun so it's not too high or too big or voluminous, and then you'll take your scarf, and this is a cotton maxi scarf, so as you can see it's quite wide, so what I like to do is fold it lengthways and then grab both ends like this and then flip it over and then put it on my head like that. And then what you'll see is you'll have one really short side and one really long side. So you just grab it like that, and what you do is you take the top layer and you put it back here and you work with the front bit. Now what I like to do is I just like arrange it around my face so I don't show too much forehead. I mean, if you like a lot of forehead cleavage and if that's your thing, it's just your thing, go for it. Where I have quite a big forehead, so I don't want to show too much of it. No snag hijab pin, and I take it from underneath and pin it under my chin right there. I like to do it under so you don't see it poking out from under your chin. Okay, now you've got the top layer from the short side, and what I like to do is I like to get rid of this bit, so I just flip it over my head like that and arrange it so this side isn't too long, like both sides are equal, so you get the volume on both sides of your head and not just one. Okay, then you grab the long section of the hijab, and as you can see it's still folded, so that's the top bit, and this bit will be under your chin here. So you grab that bit, you flip it over, you bring it around, and while you're doing that you're gathering the scarf up. You're gathering like this so it's not too long in the back, and then you just flip it over like that, bring it around and bring the whole section around like that, and just fix it on the sides how you like it, and secure it with a hijab pin that matches the colour of your scarf. And then what I like to do is just, if you want this bit to be shorter so you can wear like really nice statement necklaces with it, I just like to pull this bit so you can get it shorter. Just play around with it a bit, see what suits the outfit that you're wearing. Obviously if you've got a lower neckline, you can just pull this bit back down and you know you've got more chest coverage that way. But if you're wearing a shirt like I am and you want to show a really nice necklace off or something, you can just literally pull this bit down here. What I like to do as well, because it's quite windy at the moment, just grab another how you like. Sometimes if I'm wearing a shirt without a collar, I just like to put a safety pin right here underneath, so it's secure here and it won't be like flapping up. Put another one as well. So that's a really quick and easy tutorial of how I do my scarf on a day-to-day basis, and I hope you like it, guys. Stay tuned for my other videos and I'll see you next time.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi sama Tasya di tutorial hijab. Kali ini aku mau kasih satu tutorial, temanya simple glamour. Nah, ini jilbabnya. Bahannya sifon ceruti dan ini bentuknya pasmina ya. Pertama, taruh jilbab tidak sama panjang. Yang sebelah panjang, sebelah pendek. Lalu dipentul di sisi yang pendeknya, lalu bawa sisi pendeknya ke belakang, seperti ini. Lalu ambil bagian depannya, ke belakang aja seperti ini, lalu dipentul aja di belakang, lalu dipentul di samping kanannya tadi seperti ini. Ini simple tapi ini glamour. Nah, itu tadi tutorial simple glamournya. Sampai ketemu di tutorial berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.